Welcome back to my channel. Struggling with hair fall? These 3 secret serums will regrow your hair fast, no chemicals, just powerful DIYs. DIY Hair Growth Serum Number 1, Anti-Hair Fall Rescue. Stops hair fall, strengthens roots, rich in sulfur and vitamin E. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fresh onion juice, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon black seed, kalonji, oil. How to use: mix all and apply directly to scalp. Massage for 5 minutes. Leave overnight, wash in the morning. Why it works: onion juice boosts blood flow and provides sulfur for collagen. Aloe vera soothes scalp and repairs damage. Black seed oil blocks DHT, the hair fall hormone. DIY Serum Number 2, Deep Nourishment Plus Thickness Booster. Thickens hair, nourishes follicles, vitamin B7, iron and proteins. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon soaked fenugreek seed paste, 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 tablespoon curry leaf infused coconut oil. How to use: warm slightly, apply to scalp and ends. Use 3x per week before sleep. Why it works: fenugreek is loaded with biotin, vitamin B7. Castor oil thickens and fills bald patches. Curry leaves activate dormant follicles. DIY Serum Number 3, Speedy Growth Plus Shine Enhancer. Boosts growth, adds shine, packed with amino acids and antioxidants. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fermented rice water, 1 teaspoon glycerin, 5 drops rosemary essential oil. How to use: add to spray bottle, shake well. Spray on hair daily, no rinse needed. Why it works: fermented rice water strengthens hair from root to tip. Glycerin locks in moisture. Rosemary oil is clinically proven to stimulate growth like minoxidil. Use any one of these 3 powerful DIY serums for just 2 weeks, and watch your hair transform. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs that actually work. Thank you for watching.